Welcome to Jharkhand Rai University. Heartiest congratulations on being part of the only private university in the region which is UGC approved and NAC accredited. I'm sure all of you must be very excited today as you start a new phase of your life. As you start your new journey, let us keep reminding ourselves of the shared responsibilities we have. There would be many challenges and distractions in future, but we need to remain steadfast on our principles, goals, and aspirations. Let me assure you one thing today here, that our dedicated community of teaching and non-teaching staff will guide you and will ensure that the teaching learning experience you have is joyful and enriching one. You all must be wondering, where am I standing today? This is a greenhouse which we have in the Department of Agriculture here at JRU. It provides a conducive environment for the plants to grow. It gives them the right temperature, the right humidity, and the right environment which is required for the healthy growth and organic growth of this plant. Same way at JRU, we will provide you a very healthy environment for all of you to grow in an organic and healthy manner. We believe that the education here will prepare you for a highly networked and competitive world. The whole person training facilitated here will support your interests, encourage you to develop your own informed perspectives, inculcate managerial and administrative skills. In short, we transform you to diligent students, smart team players, ethical leaders, and responsible citizens. You should be a keen observer and identify opportunities that will benefit you and help you grow, as JRU offers you plenty of choices and chances. Have the confidence to be a good team player, have shared visions for attaining your goals, which should be in tandem with that of the institution. Have a productive relationship with other stakeholders of the university, and be discerning in your choices and decisions. Let us work towards enriching ourselves with meaningful curricular and extracurricular transactions. Let us make our dreams a reality, and let us explore our reality and the future as a family. Because of the pandemic conditions, we are meeting like this online, but hope to see you all at the campus very soon. Once again, I extend my best wishes to all of you as you start your new journey today. All the best.
Hello students, I, Dr. Piyush Ranjan, Registrar Jharkhand Rai University, welcome you all to the various degree and diploma program at Jharkhand Rai University, the only university in the state of Jharkhand, Bihar and West Bengal which is accredited by NAC and approved by UGC both. The hope, the aspirations and the dream with which you all have chosen Jharkhand Rai University, we promise that through our dynamic learning environment, rigorous training and mentoring, through our efficient and dedicated team of faculty members, we will make your dream come true. The learning at Jharkhand Rai University is not limited inside the classroom, but you all will get an opportunity to learn the life skills through the different activities beyond the classroom. Throughout the year, you will find the campus buzzing with different academic and cultural activities. The discipline is the hallmark of the university. I wish you all the best. Once again, I welcome you all to the JRU family. Hope to see you all soon. Till then, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Good morning students. My name is Sabyasachi Chakravarti, Dean Student Welfare. I know this day is very special for you. Day of new beginning, first day of a new journey. Many of you have student pharmacy or agriculture or management, logistics, computer science or mining as your career options. Whichever department you have chosen, we have one common dream: to excel in your life, and I am sure The years in Jharkhand Rai University will help you to achieve that. Wishing you all the very best for your program.
Hello students, hope you are doing well. Myself Dr. Ashfaq Alam from the Faculty of Commerce and Business Management, Jharkhand Rai University. It's a distinct pleasure to welcome you all to the Jharkhand Rai University family. Due to this unusual ongoing COVID pandemic, we are welcoming you online. But dear student, campus without you people is lifeless. We are eagerly waiting for you people to be here as soon as the situation normalizes. Again, I wish you a very best and happy, successful journey at Jharkhand Rai University. Thank you.
Good morning, students. I, Dr. Shraddha Prasad, Faculty of Science and Engineering, welcome you all to our STEAM University. This is the first time that we are not interacting with our new student face-to-face due to COVID pandemic situation. But I believe that soon we will overcome this situation and we all will interact with you face-to-face. In the meantime, we all are in touch with you in different mode and we will take our classes and teach you in online mode through Moodle. I will teach you physics in the first and second semester. And I want you all to know that entire university community is here to support and guide you to achieve your goal. Once again, I welcome you all. Stay safe. All the best. Thank you.
I, Dr. Sumit Kumar Pandey, Dean Academics, welcome all of you to our campus. I will take care all of your academic related matters as well as I will teach the electrical engineering related subjects. I assure all of you and also believe that you will get significant knowledge not only from the academic part but also apart from the academic during your stay at Jharkhand Rai University. Wishing you all the best for your new journey. Thank you.
Dear students, this is Professor Ved Prakash Singh, Controller of Examination, Jharkhand Rai University, Ranchi. Welcome all of you. The admission and examination are the two phases of any education system. It is our responsibility to keep both process efficiently and transparent.
Hello students, I, Dr. Amrita Majumdar, Assistant Registrar and Assistant Professor in Faculty of Commerce and Management, welcome you all to Jharkhand Rai University. Let us start this new year with a new hope and dream. We know that this COVID pandemic has made us apart, but nevertheless, we will always be connected with this hope that we will meet soon in the coming semesters. So, welcome again and be positive, be confident, stay healthy and stay safe. Thank you.
Be safe and welcome to the new era of academics in Jharkhand Rai University. I am Dr. Priyanka Srivastava, Assistant Registrar, Examinations cum Assistant Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology. I congratulate you to pursue your higher education in the fast growing university. Being a part of examination department, I assure all of you that the examination department will provide you all necessary supports in hand and at earliest through proper channel. Thank you.